Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. My name is Kiana and I'm a stay-at-home mom of one. I do cleaning videos, day in the life videos, and vlogging. I know you guys see my space and it's a mess as you can see, but believe it or not, I do clean my space. But today I wanted to show you how I do that. I know how it is when your space is a mess but you don't have any desire to clean it, but at the same time you still want to clean. Yeah, I understand. Well, I hope my video gives you that motivation to clean your space. This is part 1 of my whole house cleaning routine, and I will upload part 2 in a few days. But in the meantime, like and subscribe to my channel and let me know down below if you enjoyed this video and what other videos you want to see from me. I'm so excited to have you here, but without further ado, let's get into the video.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why won't holding back? I don't know. I guess I'm more confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to, that I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games. Oh, maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games, but I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever, I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you. Suddenly I want to walk away. No, I wonder will you ever come back again? Telling myself that it's okay, okay, 'cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game, but I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever, I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you, with you. I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever, I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you, with you. Oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you, you.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. You know what's up? Your favorite lover. just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
bring
again. I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day, you dream away. You forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day, you dream away. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain.
Hey y'all, so I hope you enjoyed my cleaning routine. So one of the last things I do is spray my space, and I'm using the Glade spray in the scent Radiant Berries. This is one of my favorite scents I have been using lately, and it smells so good. Oh my god, you guys, I feel so much better within myself now, like that my house is clean. My mom used to always tell me when I was younger that a cluttered space is a cluttered mind, and I could truly say that I understand that now. So I try to make cleaning up, even if it is just a little bit, part of my daily routine so I could be more productive. So I hope this video was motivating to you, or maybe just captivating. But either way, I appreciate you clicking on my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.